Alright, hey friends, I hope you guys have been looking at your list of words if you're practicing them at school or if you just came across some words that you are going over some basic vowel teams. I'm just going to review them really quickly to kind of wrap up and make sure you guys are also watching the shape of my mouth as I am making each word. So we went over in the beginning that a short A goes ah, and short E goes eh. There's two different shapes. The A, you're opening up your mouth a little bit more to make that ah sound. Whereas the E sound, you kind of like closing your mouth a little bit more. With letter I, you go eh. Remember that disgusting face I told you guys about? If you're having a reaction that's kind of grossing you out, go ugh. Kind of like that, like ugh. That's gross. Ick. Hence the word ick. People often make up. Letter O goes ah, kind of like you're sticking your tongue out, and it has that same sound, but you're opening your mouth more. So go ah for O, and for you go ugh, like that look that you get when you're just so over your day and you just want to move on to the next one, like you're so fed up with something. And going over a review with our vowel teams, we have AI, like you see in sail, and tail, like a tail you would find on an animal, which is our friends, Amy A, right over here. I should be moving her to the side, as well as Ichabod I. We have our AI team coming out once again. Amy's covering up Ichabod's mouth, and she goes A for tail and rain and pale. So we have our AI team. Reviewing back over with Ethan and Amy for our EA team. Words like team and each and bead. We are here together again. Amy wants to talk like she did previously, but now Ethan is here covering up her mouth. No, Amy, I'm going to do the talking for E. Long E sound for E. E-A-T for team. And bead and dream. So this is another pair of friends we have here for vowel teams, as well as our OE team. So now we're moving Ethan over. We're going to be joined by our friend Owen O. So here is Owen and Ethan. They're hanging out together. Words like toe or doe or a female deer, for those of you guys who aren't aware what a female deer is called, or other names like Joe. So we have our OE team. Makes a long O sound. So Owen's going to be doing the talking. He is covering Ethan's mouth. Ethan lost his chance to speak. But these guys are still friends because they make our OE team. So those are just some examples that we have of our vowel teams. And if you feel the need to go back and look at the Between the Lines clip I mentioned or any of the puppet shows here, by all means, I'm not going to stop you. If it'll help you, go for it. So have a good day, friends, and hope you guys are doing well.